Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Jaguar F-Type 3-litre V6R Dynamic. It's on, as you can see, a 68 plate. Going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. You've seen the driver's side of the vehicle already, of course, so this is the passenger side. You can see, now that you've seen both sides, it is in fantastic condition the whole way round. We're going to start with the boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have those centrally exiting tailpipes. We have reversing sensors and a reversing camera, and given the nature of the vehicle, plenty of boot space as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. Over on the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the centre, the trip computer, fuel gauge, coolant temperature gauge, the total miles of the car there, 39,006. To the right-hand side of that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, and we are in park at the moment, of course. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have our stereo and phone controls. We have over on the right hand side cruise control, speed limiter and a heated steering wheel. Behind the steering wheel, the plus and minus paddles, so that you can change up and down again manually with this automatic gearbox. Over into the centre next, you have the main touchscreen for the car. You can turn the stereo on and off with a push of the volume switch just here. And above that, we have got your dual zone climate control, where you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature, fan speed up and down from this central dial just here. When you're happy with those settings, that's your air conditioning on. Same button to turn it off again, or hit auto. The car will now take full control of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. Any manual adjustment, you can see auto has now gone off. With a heated front and rear screen, a 12-volt charging socket, the button for your start and stop just here. Gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, the volume for your stereo. You can change the driving setup of the car, so you can put it into a dynamic mode, normal everyday driving mode, and also then rain, ice and snow, and then back to normal again there. We have an electronic handbrake. We can make the exhaust system louder with a push of this button, traction control on and off with that one, and you can turn off your stop and start for the car, and then we have two cup holders as well. Last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. The glass section itself is fixed in place, but with this open, it lets in a huge amount of extra light to the cabin area. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So in the envelope here is the spare key, so of course 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document for the car, and then a printout from Jaguar of the service record. So the pre-delivery inspection done in 2018, and then services in 2020, 21, 21 again, 22, 23, and at the end of 2024. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.